Today the question is what is digital marketing and why digital marketing? So often people get used to confuse on what is digital marketing and how it is being done and why there is a need for it. So let me give you the easiest answer for what is digital marketing. Basically, marketing done over digital media, digital tools, and digital channels is known as digital marketing. It's as easy as ABC. So the question is why digital marketing? That is much more relevant question, and it is because you must have seen our priorities have been differentiated over the time. Previously, we were used to spend a lot of time reading newspapers, watching television programs. Although we still do watch television programs, but the way we watch have been changed. Now we watch through YouTube. We spend more time over digital channels such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, WhatsApp, uh, and we watch more of our programs on YouTube, and then we use Google search, emails. So our priorities have different have been over the time have been changed, which is why the need for digital marketing has been it's very much improved. Why? Because people are now spending more times over digital channels, and where the people is, you as a marketer you need to be over there. So it is why digital marketing is very important. And in other words, digital marketing is basically about earning familiarity, trust, and relationship. That is more regarding how do you do marketing. Marketing is about earning familiarity, trust, and relationship with your customers as well as your potential customers and consumers. Potential customers and consumers are those people who are not your customer but are likely to become your customer, or who are your targeted audiences. So the question is okay, the question of branches of digital marketing is going to be done in the next video. So thank you so much for watching it out. Bye bye.